Life is wonderful, but then we have some challenges. How do you face these challenges? I'm Dr. Judy Pinto, and this series is known as Face Challenges Dr. Judy's Way. Many of my students, they sometimes have expressed that they forget things. And it is very important, friends, to remember what you have studied. This video would mainly help the students to remember things. Nevertheless, this also will help all the other people. Even housewives sometimes, homemakers, they also say, I forget ingredients and I forget what to buy from the shops. So let us see one by one what we can do. First of all, we have to have interest in what we do, especially the students. When you study, if you have interest, you will remember. There's no question of forgetting. Don't you remember the sequence in the film? Because you are interested. Secondly, we can write down things. If at all I find something difficult or I am not able to remember, if I write down, I can remember well. And this applies to even the homemakers, even the men. Whenever we go to shop, we have to manage with a shopping list. Then it becomes easier. We can use another method, memorize. Memorizing helps us to remember things better. And this will help tremendously in the studies, remembering whatever you have studied, my dear students. Friends, we learn in three different ways. We call it audio, visual, kinesthetic. We understand what is audio by listening. Some person can remember very well only by listening. Someone else can remember by visual. While they see something, they remember. And the third category is kinesthetic. Action, movement of the body, the sensory organs. Now it is important for you to find out which category you belong to. And accordingly, you can pay attention to whatever you would like to remember. And the last but not the least, we can learn a technique. Technique, what is known as mindfulness. Mindfulness helps us to remember things. Have you observed sometimes you want to pick up something from some place, you go there, and then you stand there thinking, what I have come for? Did it happen to you? It happens. And for this, we have to practice mindfulness. Now, what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is being in the present. Just now, what I am doing, I am thinking about that. Being in the present. Our mind, most of the time, will be in the past or in the future. We worry about the past or we imagine about the future, and then we lose the present. So be mindful, and that will solve our problem of forgetfulness. It's easy, friends. Let us all practice to remember things. Most of all, I think so, students have to benefit from this. Thank you for watching this video.